drifted into the wrong ocean. Too much noise and too much motion. I couldn't hear the ones I knew. The waves erased the sound of you. You called my name through the waves. I was lost, I was afraid. You held me close, wouldn't let go. You led me back to my home. Through the dark, I felt a change, a guiding force I couldn't name. When I was lost, too far to see, hands from above reached down to me. You called my name through the waves. I was lost, I was afraid. You held me close, wouldn't let go. You led me back to my home. I'm finally home. I'm finally home. I'm finally home. I hear you now. I'm